Hello students, my name is Vaibhav Badkar and today's topic is cell the unit of life. Match the following and identify the correct option. Thylakoids, flat membranous sacs in stroma. Cristae, infoldings in mitochondria. Cisternae, disc-shaped sacs in Golgi apparatus. Chromatin, condensed structure of DNA. So the option should be A3, B4, C1 and D2, that is option D. Second one, which of the following structure is not found in a prokaryotic cell? Mesosome, plasma membrane, ribosome, nuclear envelope. We know that in prokaryotic cell, nuclear envelope is absent. Third one, cellular organelles with membrane are with membrane. We know ribosome is without membrane. So wherever we find ribosome, we should not consider. Here there is ribosome, here ribosome, here ribosome. So lysosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria are with membrane. Option B. Moving on to question number 4. Which of the following are not membrane bound? Lysosome membrane bound, vacuole membrane bound, mesosome membrane bound. Ribosomes are not membrane bound. DNA is not present in. DNA is present in nucleus. DNA is present in mitochondria. DNA is present in chloroplast, but it is not present in ribosome. Nuclear envelope is a derivative of. It is derived from microtubules? No. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum? No. Membrane Golgi complex? No. It is derived from rough endoplasmic reticulum. Seventh one. The structures that are formed by staking of organized flattened membranous sacs in the chloroplast. Structure that are formed by staking of organized flattened membranous sac in the chloroplast. It's not stroma lamellae, it's not crista, it's not cristae, it's not stroma, it's a grana. Eighth one. Select the correct matching in the following pair. Smooth ER, synthesis of glycogen? No. Rough ER, oxidation of fatty acid? Wrong. Rough ER, oxidation of phospholipid? Wrong. Smooth ER, synthesis of lipid? D is correct one. Ninth. The chromosomes in which centromere is situated close to one end. Telocentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric. See, if it is exactly center, meta. Okay, little away from the center, it is submeta. Far away from the center, that is, we call it as acrocentric. So acrocentric. Telocentric means it's at the extreme end like this. Okay, so that is also wrong. So acrocentric is correct answer. Moving on to 10th question. Which of the following is not an inclusion body found in prokaryote? Which one of the following is not an inclusion body found in prokaryote? Granules are inclusion body. Glycogen granule, phosphate granule, cyanophycean granule. Polysome. It is group of ribosomes on RNA, mRNA. So this is the answer. 11th one. The osmotic expansion of cell kept in water is mainly regulated by mitochondria, plastids, ribosome, vacuole. Osmotic control is by vacuole. We know that. Moving on to 12th one. Match the following and select the correct answer. Centriole, this one. This is A. Basal body of cilia or flagella. Chlorophyll thylakoids. This is correct. Cristae infolding in mitochondria. Ribozymes are nucleic acid. So A4, B2, C1, A4, B2, C1, D3. So this is the correct option. Moving on to 13th one, the Golgi complex plays a major role as energy transferring organelle, no. In post-translational modification of protein and glycosylation of lipid will keep it in hold. In trapping the light and transforming it into chemical energy, no. In digesting protein and carbohydrate, no. So the correct answer is in post-translational modification of proteins and glycosylation of that is glycoprotein and glycolipids. 13th one. Let us move on to 14th question. It's a diagram based question. Which one of the following organelle in the figure correctly match with its function? Look at the diagram. There are dot like structure, means this is what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, and its function we know, protein synthesis. Let us see such option. Golgi apparatus, no. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis. Yes, B is correct answer. Moving to 15th one. A major site for synthesis of lipid. Symplast, no. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, no. Nucleoplasm, no. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is correct. 16th one. The term glycocalyx is used for a layer present between cell wall and membrane of bacteria, no. Cell wall of bacteria, no. Bacterial cell glycoengineered to possess N-glycosylated protein, no. A layer surrounding the cell wall of bacteria, yes, this is correct. Okay, so D is the correct answer.